How to pay for a hotel on Agoda. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can pay for a hotel on Agoda. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you get notified about the latest uploads. Now let us jump right into the video. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your Agoda app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now from here you can tap on hotels and search for a hotel. So search for your destination. You could also choose it on your map, and from here you could just go ahead and search for a hotel. So from here, once you find your hotel, you can just tap on the one that you would like to book. So let's say if I just tap on the very first one right here, and you can just scroll down here to see all the rooms. Tap on see all rooms, and here you'll be able to see all of these. Now from here, if you want to book a certain room, click on book, or you could just add to cart and pay at hotel. But if you want to pay it from the app, you can just click on add to cart. So go ahead and click on add to cart. Now from here, room has been added. So from here you could proceed to your cart. And once you land on your cart, you could just go ahead and click on next. And now the next step is the payment process. So you're going to have to enter your payment details in order to proceed. So you can see all of the details about the room right here, and then all you have to do is click on the book option. So go ahead and click on book now. So as you can see here, the booking has been confirmed. So what you're going to have to do is view your booking details. From here, you can just click right here to view your booking details. And once you have done that, if the hotel has prompted you to pay first, you could just add your payment details and pay. Otherwise, you could just pay when you get to the hotel. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.